Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power stability. Charge the JBL Wave Beam 2 to around 20% or keep it plugged in because resets can fail on low battery. Once charged, power the unit off. This prevents accidental pairing. Make sure no phone or laptop is actively connected, since active links block factory reset sequences. Next, position the speaker so you can clearly press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons. You may need a small pin to access recessed controls. This prepares you for the next step. Now you perform the reset itself. Press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons together for roughly 10 to 15 seconds, because the device requires a sustained input to enter factory reset mode. As you do this, watch the LEDs. A rapid flash or color change signals the speaker accepted the command. Once you see that pattern, release both buttons and allow the Wave Beam 2 to reboot on its own. Make sure to be patient, since the restart can take a minute or slightly more. Once the speaker reboots, you'll pair it like new. Enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and select JBL Wave Beam 2 from the list. This confirms the reset completed successfully. If pairing fails, repeat the exact reset sequence one more time, but first make sure battery level is above 20% and other Bluetooth devices are off. Interference often causes problems. If you still can't pair, contact JBL support and provide the model, serial number, and the reset steps you tried for guided help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.